Welcome back everyone, this is PyProtech. So today, this is probably the final assignment we are going to show you, and it's assignment 8 and I just did it right now, so thought of recording and posting it on YouTube. So for question number 1, oh wait, let me refresh this page and, oh wait, I did submit, let me just refresh. Come on. So for question number 1, obviously this shows insomnia and sedative. So insomnia is basically sleepiness. If you want to sleep, if you have a habit of sleeping, then you are an insomniac person. Sedative is probably a dose or to make you sleep. So for this, um, it's memory and nostalgia because these two do not correlate. So this is the answer. All of these other three options do correlate, just memory and nostalgia do not correlate. And for question number 2, it's A because whatever this word is, it's entomophobia. You have a fear of insects. Arachnophobia, I really don't know how to pronounce this properly. So this is a fear of spiders, but here it shows elephants. So for question number 2, it's A. For question number 3, it has to be A. In my view, it has to be A because the text shows it is more likely this enormous diversity shows an language of class and regional affiliation we cannot no longer understand. So we can no longer understand is the key words over here because arcane, what arcane means is something to do with secrecy. So if I go ahead, arcane meaning, it has to do something with secrecy. So understood by few and mysterious or secret. So if it's a mysterious or secret and understood by few, so obviously you can no longer understand because it is known by few. So if you know a subject very little or very less, then obviously it will take time for you to understand the subject. So that's what it means. And for question number 4, I did D. For question number 5, it might be tricky because it could be oppressed and attenuated. But what oppressed means? Oppressed only means weaken. It doesn't show the impact. It only shows that you're oppressing someone, which is weakening. But this word over here, attenuated. Oh god, I am really bad at this pronunciation. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but attenuated. What this is, it's basically it. I actually forgot. It actually suppresses. It lessening in amount, force, or magnitude. So what is the difference between oppressed and attenuated? Oppressed doesn't show the impact or the magnitude, but this word shows the magnitude. So lessening in amount, so it does show the amount, force, and magnitude. So obviously it has to be 5C. 6, it is 6, and C, it's 6D, it's 6D. Because all of the words are similar to each other and similar to this main word. For question number 7, it has to be D because you're impairing growth. Impair means reducing growth and inhibit means also reducing. And desiccate means to dry up. This is a common word. And weather means to indicator of trends. If you search these two words on Google, then you will find the meaning straightforward. Like this will come straightforward, indicator of trends will just appear, and dry up will be to dry up on Google. And for question number 10, it says incorrectly matched paired. So curate's egg, it's part good, part bad. So it does match because eggs can be part good and part bad. Doyen is something, the definition of doyen is something, a person who is particularly very good in a particular field. So if he's good in a particular field, his profession, then he's called an expert. Quisling is a traitor. So what quisling means, you are a traitor. Oh god. So basically, if you are collaborating and negotiating with an enemy, you are known as a quisling or a traitor. And question number 10, it has to be D because I have no idea what type of food this is, but it is surely not a curry. So there you go, guys. These are the answers for assignment 8. And if you have any um, not convictions, if you have any information that you want to give out to me and share your opinions upon the answers, we can just discuss on Instagram. You can DM me, and one of my subscribers has DM'd me, and we talked about some little discussions on the last assignment. So just stay safe in this COVID-19 situation. Be happy, live your life. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and like and subscribe, and take care, and see you in the next one.